What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're dropping in for the first time, Tommy Kentner here. If you're not, welcome back, guys. Today we're just going to see what's going on in the shop and give y'all guys an update. We've been waiting on some parts, so we wasn't able to put out the videos like we normally do. So we're a day or two behind with the winter storm of 2021. So Adrian. Alright guys, we got a few parts in on the XT. So Adrian's getting what he can together. We're still waiting on a few things. How's it going?
Good. Power steering pump and a couple other little things, and we should be running and driving again pretty soon.
Hell yeah. That's what we want. And then this thing will be manual swapped. We got the engine in. We're doing was waiting on a evap for the AC, so we got that in. We put a new axle in it because the boot was damaged, and you don't want to get your car back and it'd be slinging axle grease everywhere. We do have this STI in, the new motor, and pretty sweet intake. We're waiting on some clips for it and do a little tuning, but it's a really clean 07. Haven't done anything on the truck, haven't done anything on the GT-R, but started. Adrian, do you want to give him a heads up on this little dude?
Yes, very much a heads up, yeah.
We may be picking up something soon. Guys, the weather is starting to get a lot nicer. Adrian's got this bad Johnny for sale. So 20G built motor, that all-wheel drive DSM life. We just got the motor out of the wrecked Legacy. It's going in this blue Legacy back here, and then we'll probably have it post it for sale too. But look guys, it's not 9 degrees and snowing, ain't it crazy? It's t-shirt weather now and shorts. Alright guys, and I did pick up a little something. If you know, you know. This is a very expensive something sitting here. And then we got troubleshooting this right here, and we got it tore back apart. Going over everything, but it looks like the PCM failed. So we're trying to get a new PCM, mobilizer and all that. So just giving you updates. Alright, YouTube, we just got this, I think it's a 2013 STI in with the case of the rod knock. So we're going to pull this engine out, get it tore down, and see how fast we can do it. Not really how fast. Tear down's pretty easy, but what do you think?
Soldier PCS and got to get it done for him.
Yep. Yeah, we got to get it done for like March 17th or something. So a little bit of a deadline, but as long as everything goes right, it shouldn't be the problem. Crunch time.
There's a fire inside and I just can't hide it. There's a fire inside and I just can't fight it. Ooh. You know I'm coming for you. There's a feeling inside, let it take it over. Past is in the past, wipe it off my shoulder. Ooh.
coolant out of the car. Getting it ready to take the radiator and stuff out. Adrian's putting a wastegate on. With all the spring.
Took some spring out.
Yeah, I know. And like I said, I just gotta get the fender on the Forester. Hold that to shut. Then most of the interior is buttoned up. Just got to put the seats pretty much back in. Back seats already in. Knocking out an oil change real quick. Check out the new clock I got for Valentine's Day from the wife. Pretty cool. Alright. Adrian's got the wastegate back in. I'm gonna check over everything. Then it might be time to go make some hits.
Hopefully it doesn't make all the boost again.
Alright guys, we're going to let the car get up to temp. We're going to take it for a little hit, make sure it's doing right. And then when it's doing right, we're going to bring it back. We got to clean up the PCV valve, was leaking some oil. And then we're going to clean that up, plumb up the boost controller, and then turn it up because it's broke in.
Catching on fire, my voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire, my voice is gasoline.
Alright guys, we got the engine out. Look like that turbo got hot. Yep. Tomorrow we'll be tearing it down. Alright guys, we're about to call it a day. It was fun hanging out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop us a like and a comment, and we'll see you in the next episode. Adrian, take us out.
Not my job.
Peace.